ChatGPT tips for maximum productivity pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think ChatGPT is just a chat tool. The surprising truth is that pricing reflects access to faster response times, advanced features, and priority availability that could save hours of work. The free tier provides access to basic AI responses, which works well for casual users or students looking for quick answers or brainstorming ideas. You can draft text, summarize content, and get general advice at no cost. ChatGPT Plus per month unlocks Speed B4XS. This gives faster responses, more accurate outputs, and improved handling of complex queries. Professionals, content creators, or marketers find this plan worth the investment because it improves efficiency and quality of work. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on cost. The real value comes from speed, reliability, and accuracy. With Plus, you can automate repetitive tasks like drafting emails, generating ideas, or creating content outlines, saving significant time every day. In conclusion, ChatGPT pricing reflects the quality of a performance and productivity gains. Choosing the right plan ensures you get the speed, accuracy, and features necessary to maximize your efficiency and make your investment worthwhile.